Hey, I'm back. I'm back with another story. The story is of a tourist and a fisherman. So, there was one tourist who was touring a lot of places in India. While having his India tour, he happened to visit Goa. Now, while being on the beach, he found a fisherman. And he saw a fisherman catching a fish, a particular fish. He asked him, this is curious, he asked him, how much time did you take to catch that fish? He said, very less, just about half an hour's time. He said, so quick. So why don't you stay longer into the sea and bring in more fishes? So the fisherman very innocently replied, I just need this one particular fish for my daily need, as in for my need. This is enough for me and my family. I don't need more. That's okay. So he said, but you could have brought more fishes by staying a little more longer and by working a little more in the sea. He said, I can help you. You know what? I am from IIM-Ahmedabad. I have done my management from IIM-Ahmedabad. And I can help you out. He said, how? He said, you know what, if you stay longer and bring more fishes, you can give those extra fishes to me. I'll sell them. And once we sell them, we'll get more revenue and more profit. And out of those profits, you can buy a bigger boat for yourself. So he said, what will happen with that bigger boat? So the tourist replied, with that bigger boat, you can go in deeper and bring in more fishes, and with all that kind of money which will come, you can buy many more boats. So he said, what will happen then if I buy many more boats? So he said, with those many boats, you can multiply your business like anything. You can rather hire people, and then they can go into the sea and fetch fishes for you. You can build up a business. He said, that's okay, but I don't need a business. I'm happy doing this. I eat my fish. I, get up late. I play with my children. I spend good quality time with my family. I have enough to feed myself and send my children to school. That's okay. That's perfectly fine. He said, you're not understanding. A person like you can make millions. How can I make millions? So he said, once you will have many boats, you can, start up a company. And then once your company grows up, because, you'll have multiple crawler machines and boats and everything, you can have a huge business. And once that big business becomes bigger, you can, it can go public, and you can have stocks and shares, and people will buy your shares, and you will become multimillionaire. So he said, what will happen after that? The fisherman now became all the more curious. What will happen after that? He said, what will happen after that? You can shift to a bigger city. You can have luxurious life. You can have a beautiful life there. You can get whatever you want in your life. He said, okay, but I'm getting what I want in my life. He said, you're not understanding. You can have the best of life. So what he said, then what will happen after that? He said, once that will happen, you will be a very happy man. He said, how much time will it take? He said, about 25 years. If you're quick, 20 years, otherwise 25 years. He said, after 25 years, what will I do? He said, you can, move into a small village, do fishing, grow some crops, organic farming, play with your kids, have good quality time, have enough money, and enjoy life. So now, the fisherman started laughing. He said, gentlemen, what am I doing right now? I'm doing what I would do after 25 years. Why should I waste 25 years for the same kind of thing which I'm doing right now? So what's the moral of the story? So the moral of the story is there is no end to your needs and wants. But yes, you can be happy in what you want. It's you who has to set that limit and have to set that limit of drawing happiness. Nobody else. So like this, there are many other people around us who don't even know with flashing degrees from universities and colleges like this, who don't even know what is life all about. For them, it's all about making millions and billions, and then one day retiring and going back to a village and doing organic farming and doing fishing. Guys, choose your life wisely. You'll not get back the years you have lost. You'll not get back those emotions which you have lost, the time which you have lost with your loved ones. Think about it. Take care. Till next time, I'll come back with another story, a beautiful, loving story, and we'll share with you. Love you. Take care.